Holiday is coming. Where would you spend your holiday if you were to choose a grand one? Today, I'm going to introduce a lavish, breathtaking place that you would surely include in your bucket list. I am talking about the Floating Seahorse Villas, an exceptional floating house with an underwater bedroom. The Floating Seahorse is one of the famous real estate projects in the United Arab Emirates and located around the island group known as the Heart of Europe and is 4 kilometers towards the coast of Dubai. The $5 billion Heart of Europe project includes 15 hotels and 6 man-made islands envisioned to attract tourists to a range of very popular European destinations. The 6 islands are connected by bridges and will only be accessible by boat, seaplane, or helicopter. The Floating Seahorse Villas are specifically located at St. Petersburg Island, which is one of the 6 islands of the Heart of Europe connected by floating piers. Other neighboring theme islands are Netherlands, Germany Villas, and the Sweden Beach Palace. I know this project sounds so unimaginable, but hey, in this time, nothing seems impossible to create, right? This seemingly impossible project was made possible by the Kleindienst Group, the most famous real estate company and developer of this very ambitious $5 billion project. This company has been in the real estate business for 30 years and continued the building of the world's islands project since its halt in 2008. By the way, the World Islands is a cluster of 300 man-made islands designed to look like a map of the world. These islands were created by scooping out sand from the Gulf with 1 million tons of rocks and bringing it to the designated spot. So that is the background of this massive project. And back to the Floating Seahorse Villas. The villas are 3-storied house or yacht combinations without propulsion and navigation systems. They float on the water while the lower floor is completely submerged underwater. This is Dubai style of real estate construction. Really impressive, right? One unit is 4,004 square feet and can accommodate up to 8 guests. The villa has 3 levels, the underwater level, sea level, and the upper deck level, available in 1 to 4 bedroom designs. The first 7 to 8 Floating Seahorse Villas for the first phase were completed in the last quarter of 2020. The project comprised a total of 131 villas. Now, let's tour this one-of-a-kind floating villa. The underwater level has 2 bedrooms with a bathroom and a lounge area. A floor-to-ceiling glass wall in the bedroom lets in a magnificent underwater view of coral reefs and the sea life. Wow, sounds appealing! Imagine while trying to sleep, you can watch a sea turtle swimming and waking up with the beauty of these colorful corals. If you love the sea and its creatures, then this room is for you. Okay, let us go to the sea level now and check its awesome amenities. Floor-to-ceiling windows continue on the sea level. It sure comes with a lavish living area, mini bar, kitchen, and a sun deck. You can even turn the living area to an open area for parties because the glass walls can be opened. If you love parties on ships or yachts, then this is perfect for you. Now, for the upper level or the open-air upper deck, can you already imagine what's there? It comes with a lounge, fully equipped kitchen, balcony, and a glass-bottomed jacuzzi. Do you love this kind of jacuzzi? Well, I do. For added privacy, sea level and upper deck outdoor areas can be enclosed. If you stay here, you can be sure of your safety because there is 24-hour security. You can even request for a butler service. It also comes with a high-speed internet connection, and there are nights where guests are entertained with fireworks. How cool is that? I guess you are thinking of going to one of the villas now. Since the Floating Seahorse Villas are in a very exclusive residential territory, going there can only be by boat or seaplane. 5-star hotels and resorts are being built within the World Islands. What's more, the famous Jumeirah Beach is only 4 kilometers from the luxurious World Islands. It is indeed a stunning location for vacation and a tourist destination for the well-off. Only billionaires can afford to buy such a high-end villa, right? These villas are said to be sold to the most wealthy from around the world. The developer said that the Zara Hotel will be one of the 15 7-star hotels to be built until 2023. Influenced by Maldives, Zara Hotel Resort will be built at the Honeymoon Island, formerly called St. Petersburg Island, that features white sand beach extending to the coral-rich waters and complementing the marine life. So, how much do we expect these villas to cost? The one-bedroom villa is $2.6 million. The two-bedroom villa ranges from $2.7 million to $5.7 million, while the four-bedroom villa is $4 million to $5.4 million. If you decide to invest and buy one of the villas, you have the privilege to choose the kind of corals that you want to be cultivated under your villa and choose the fishes that you want to see. The landscaping will also be pesticide-free and fungicide-free, while the green areas will use recycled water. No traditional transportation is available on the island. Simple living in a luxurious way, isn't it? The developers do have plans for environmentally friendly transportation in the future. Also, maybe you are wondering how the villa's property is sustained. Well, each villa has its sewage tanks that prevent contaminated water mixing with the seawater. The base level has 25 square meter glass walls made from acrylic glass. Moreover, the basement level is designed so that air pressure doesn't need to be regulated. What to expect with this ambitious project? You won't believe it, but it will offer other attractions such as the first underwater hotel with gym and spa, the first dedicated wedding hotel. The world's most anticipated feature is an outdoor climate-controlled area like the artificial rainy street and the world's first outdoor snow plaza. Incredible! I know you can't wait to explore this very promising island in the very near future. Many rich investors are willing to take part in this massive global project. That's it for the Floating Seahorse villas in the heart of Europe. I know you enjoy the sea and the villa tour. Please comment below your thoughts on this big project in Dubai. Don't forget to like this video, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on great new videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.